not great.
Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your visit to Krusty Land.
Congratulations! The line's almost over! Only 45 more minutes! Just kidding! I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy!
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie!
You're fired! And leave the suit!
Get this thing off!
Go! Keep the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield Penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park, but rest assured, my Cracker Jack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room. So the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, "Go!" Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Oh, the growing cat. Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occur to them? They could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, nerd virus, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt chain.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
The best shape I've ever... Oh, heart attack! Been in my life! I feel like a 20-stroke-year-old massive aneurysm! I'll wait outside.
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say! Well, back in my day, people never had to gobble wow. Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taking care of first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the crusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
Feels like we're going up.
Roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do! You're about to die!
You sound like my doctor.
Ah, my next big dish. So anyway, where are you all?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun.
Only they said to stay seated.
Oh, that's a load of carpet. I always get things flying backwards. Hey, I can see our car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, ball. We're both big and round and never finished high school.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
You're all gonna die. There's another one. 12, and there's a kitty ride. At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ!
There's another yes.
You just Hey, we...
Hello, Dad.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Beer!
It's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction!
You foiled my plans for the last time!
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, convenient whale!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit! Mike! Stay away from the ramp! I need ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all!
The radiation into Maggie!
They grow up so fast!
Cops are on to this!
Do not fear, a bird is here.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
Careful, the baby is wet and presumed cranky.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
You break it, you pocket!
Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not a pacifier! Get those tourists out of here now! You don't know where they've been!
Home sweet home! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are slapping my face!
That's for nothing, Gravity! I never even heard! This must be the part where they take your picture, okay? Smile!
You got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?